If your GMC Acadia keeps dropping your Apple CarPlay connection mid-drive, you are not alone and we can fix it. Data shows that the vast majority of these glitches are simply due to cable degradation or debris in the charging port. Before you take it to the dealer, let's run through the most common points of failure. Start by cleaning your phone port with a wooden toothpick and testing a brand new, certified Apple cable. If the hardware is fine, try forgetting the Acadia from your phone's CarPlay menu and resetting your network settings. Wireless CarPlay is convenient, but it is much more prone to interference than a stable, wired connection. As you can see, over half of all connection issues are solved just by replacing a low-quality or worn-out cable. For persistent issues, a hard reboot of your phone or clearing the infotainment cache usually clears up the data conflicts. Keep these simple tools in your glove box to handle any future connectivity hiccups on the road. Remember that quality matters, so avoid those bargain bin cables and stick to MFI-certified products. If these steps don't resolve your issue, it might be time to have your dealer check the USB module for hardware faults.